I'm now going to show you an example very similar to the second question on week 11's homework. I think it's actually number 4 on the textbook page, but it's the second question of the homework. So here we are being asked to find the measure of the red arc again, but we are given a different arc, a different circle, but we have all the information that we need, so we can just get started. One of the special theorems that we learned about when we were talking about chords and circles is that when we know that a chord has the same measurement, or a chord of a circle is congruent to a chord, to another chord on the same circle, then the two arc measures are also congruent. So this chord length is 5, and this chord length is also 5. Right, let me say that one more time. This chord length is 5, and this chord length is also 5. That means this arc is going to be congruent to this arc. So what that means is when we have this chord length of 5 and we know that this arc measurement is 92 degrees, that means because this chord length is the same length, this arc is also going to be 92 degrees. So if you want to write that as a mathematical statement, you can write VT, or actually let's write it in blue because this side of the circle is in blue. So you can write VT is equal to 5 and QB is equal to 5. They are congruent. So that means arc VT, the measure of arc VT is 92 degrees. So the measure of arc QB is also going to be 92 degrees. And that is going to be our final answer because arc QB is the arc measure that we are looking for. And I know in that problem number 4, the length or the measurement of that chord is not given, but it really doesn't matter what that measurement is. We don't have to know that it's 5. In this example, we were just given that it's 5, but all we need to know is that this chord is congruent to this chord for this theorem to apply here. So it could be 5 on both like it was originally, or it could be, 105 on both. It doesn't matter. Or it could be any random number you can think of. It can be 5, 105. It could be, 72, 72. It doesn't matter what the numbers are as long as they are always the same.